What's up, my name's TCNO here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. This video is not another tutorial but rather a little announcement. The Epic Games Store is currently having a Lunar New Year sale, much like the Ubisoft Store, as well as Steam, etc. Everyone's doing it, but the thing that Epic is doing differently is they're offering a $10 coupon free to anyone who signs up to their newsletter. Super simple, they did this before, so opening up the Epic Games Store, prepare for a flashbang, 3, 2, 1. You'll probably get a pop-up notification, or you'll see a banner on the front page that looks something like this: unlock your coupon. All you need to do is subscribe to the Epic Games emails and unlock your $10 coupon. Offer ends February 27th. If you click this link, your browser will likely open up, but if you click the notification instead, you'll get straight to the page over here. All you have to do is head across to account settings. Regardless, you'll be taken across to the settings page, right into the communications section. Sorry if you suddenly went blind, but this page is very white. All you have to do is make sure that email, subscribe/unsubscribe is ticked over here. I'm not sure if this matters over here, but I have this ticked at the very top, so I don't get emails regarding any of these. As long as you have this top one ticked, you can disable all the ones you want down here to not receive spam, but you'll receive promotions, events, etc. When you have everything ticked here, you should get an email within a few minutes to a few hours depending on how slow the system is. On top of this, if you're already subscribed like I am, simply check your email inbox. Firing up my mail client, this is what I see on my screen. Connect and save $10 Epic Games Store coupon. All you need to do is click redeem now, and a new browser page will open where you'll be taken across to the main store page. Doesn't look like anything's happened, but if we go ahead and add a game to our cart, anything above $15, as such, head across to our cart, you should see that we have the coupon discount applied automatically here. 160 ZAR, South African Rand, is $10, so it's automatically applied even if you don't know that you've actually claimed it. All you need to do is add something to your cart, which you can then later remove, just to see if you've actually got it. This will last all the way until February 27th, so do make sure to use it before then if you're interested. If you do purchase anything from the Epic Games Store, please do make sure, if you'd like to support me, to use my creator code TCNO. TCNO. You'll find it in the description down below if you'd like to copy and paste it. But anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TCNO here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.